Hello, it is me back with another Eikon Vlogs video. This new series is basically just going to be more of me talking to you or someone else within this company talking to you about something, whether it's related to our policies, whether it's related to, how we operate, what we're working on, what we're doing, products, things such as that. That's not mainly focused on the installation side of things. What I want to talk about now is our new website's pricing structure. I mentioned it in a different video. I think it was actually the unveiling video of this kit itself. And I said that I would go into more detail about how that works. Because no, we're not increasing the pricing. We're increasing the options of the product itself. So over here on the website, you'll see right underneath the information here, you'll see a thing that says, or a section that says installation date. It says choose an option. You'll notice that there's no actually price, down here. It's all based on what you choose. So let's say, you can place an order and let's say you're willing to wait 35 to 60 days. Okay, 2 months is the max. And what that means, as you'll see, that's the price that comes up here, is $42.99. That's the base price. Now, for $42.99, what that's getting you the kit, which is the V1 Series kit, finished product. It's getting you the installation with now, for the first time ever, a guaranteed installation date within 35 to 60 days from the date of purchase. The fundamental difference as to why that was not really a thing that we were able to maintain was because of our partnership with our supplier at the time, which is obviously and was obviously Vertical Doors. It's hard for us to guarantee you something based on a product that they have to ship to you first because of how they operate as a company. Basically, they wait until somebody places an order before they even start the manufacturing process of the actual product itself. We are not doing that. We're obviously making sure that we have these in stock at all times. So this is where we're able to now run this company the way we wanted to, the way we intended to from day one. We manufacture our own kit now. So that comes with a few perks and a few differences that you'll notice obviously now moving forward is we can now guarantee your installation dates within a certain time frame based on pricing. Now, let's say you're like most people. I think the average person, the average one of our customers is probably going to select the, I would say 20 to 34 days. That's probably the average. Yes, you'll notice that increases that price to $47.99. What that means, as that price changes and increases, it tells you kind of why that price is changing and that price is increasing. So when we expedite a flight based on, you wanting us to be there sooner, before in the past, we would generally mention, we can do this or we can do that, but it's going to cost more. Most of you guys didn't really care if, if it was a few $100 more, a couple $100 more, whatever that was. But now we have this fully integrated on the front end of our website when you place your order, is that if you want it done within a certain time frame, this is basically the way that you can do that now. Just kind of going through, finishing up. So this 20 to 34 days means that you're guaranteed an installation within 24 to 30 days of the date of purchase from our website itself. The day you place your order, that 20 to 34 day timer start. Now, let's say you have a show coming up in a few weeks. 7 to 19 days is gonna probably be for you. Again, I think that between the 7 to 19 and the 20 to 35 days, it's probably gonna be where a lot of you guys are gonna choose just because you want it and you wanna know. Rightfully so, completely understand that. But let's just go with the last and final. Installation within 6 days from order. It seems like there was quite a few of you that have been doing this or been wanting to do this. Yes, it's considerably more expensive, but so is the actual airline fees and everything else that are associated with that. The main reason why the fees go up is part of our contract, without going into company secrets or, kind of those proprietary type aspects to what we do and how we do what we do. We no longer achieve our contract deals and rates on not only the flight now at this point, now it's the hotel, it's also the rental car situation. So we are now having to recover additional costs that we typically don't go through when you can place an order and if you're able to wait 30 to 60 days to, have us come to you to do the installation. The $59.99 price literally does probably cost us closer to the $1,200 to $1,300 range for all of the within 6 days from the day you order expenses that our costs are increased by. So we're willing to come to you within 6 days of purchase, but you unfortunately, or you fortunately, or you are now responsible for covering those added increased fees that we have to cover so we can make it worth our while and as well as your while. This is all based on the fact that our kit is always kept in stock. When we get to 100 or 50 kits left in stock and inventory, we're panicking because that's just not enough. And we know that that's not enough. Now, one of the main aspects and the main importance to this kind of multiple options with different pricing tiers as well as different timeline tiers, yes, it's adding more of a logistical type of, I wouldn't say nightmare, but it's adding complications or it's adding more work for sure. However, everything is worth doing as long as any increase in costs that are associated with that said, whatever it may be, is recovered or recuperated somehow, shape, or form. And it really is going to depend on us and the team that we have rebuilt in this company on the executive level with the COO and CFO and then myself as to maintain and monitor our actual inventory stock levels themselves. We have everything itemized as far as our inventory software is concerned. The smallest, tiniest 0.02 millimeter washer that's designed for this kit that goes in, you know, these two areas right here. I mean, every single individual part for this kit is legitimately inventoried, has to be scanned out of inventory when this is being assembled. So with this new system, everything is in communication with everything, meaning when stock goes low or too low where we think that, hey, we should probably remove the installation in 6 days, let's remove that from an option so no more orders for that come through overnight when we're closed, whatever it may be. Obviously, with a threshold that we're going to be setting internally as 50 kits, I highly, highly, highly doubt we'll ever have to shut down any of the features or any of those packages that we're offering with the expedited timelines for installation. But just in case, we do have a system that's built in with the defaults and with the fallback to remove that if that becomes an issue. With the default obviously being the $42.99 price, for 35 to 60 days. You're guaranteed an installation within that 35 to 60 days. That's 2 months, 8 weeks. Call Vertical Doors right now. Ask them how long it's going to take them to ship you just the kit if you wanted to order a C8 kit from them. I think you'll find that many, many people will tell you, and us, especially us, we literally started manufacturing our own kits because they would tell us 6 to 8 weeks or 3 to 5 weeks, and it would take 16 plus weeks for us to even receive a kit from them. And we were literally like their #1 customer. So this is the future for us, is making sure that we finally and once and for all hold up our end of the deal by taking on the full responsibility and becoming fully accountable for every single thing that is Eikon Motorsports. Manufacturing, installation, quality control, customer service, every single thing associated with what we do, we now control every single aspect of that. If you have any other questions, please definitely don't hesitate to comment in the comments below. We'll definitely get to you as soon as possible. If you would like to have anything that we focus on to be made into a video for you or to address anything specific, let us know in the comments below. I think all subscribers to our YouTube channel, we're also going to start giving just discounts to. If you're a subscriber to our YouTube channel, we're also going to build that into the front end system itself. It gives you the option, you go to our website, subscribe to our channel, it gives you like an instant discount on the, it doesn't matter what it is, whether it's a $42.99 price, $47.99 price, vice versa, it's still the same percentage off applied to all the different packages that we offer now. So until next time, please like and subscribe, and I hope I was able to clarify and give you the information that it is that I feel that you need to understand better now what it is we're trying to do and how we're going to achieve that.